Oh, what a day! What a lovely day!
Oh, pretty good?
Good. You don't have plates on your bike?
Yep, I just bought it yesterday.
Oh, okay.
You want the title?
Yeah, driver's license and
yep.
you have bill of sale on you?
I have a title.
You get the title?
Yeah. Whoops. There's my knife.
Just leave that down there for me.
Yeah, I'm not going to touch it.
Alright. You have a permit?
I have the motorcycle endorsement.
Yeah, do you have a permit to carry?
The knife?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
You don't need one, do you?
Does that extends out the bottom, doesn't it?
Got the one end, yeah.
Yeah. You need to have a permit for that?
You do? I'm pretty sure it's legal, isn't it? It was open carry.
Nope, because that's spring assisted.
I'm pretty sure that's legal, isn't it? Okay, I'm not going to argue with you about it, I guess.
I mean, it was in your pocket, correct?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you could see it, though.
I'm not too worried about it.
Okay, alright.
How old are you?
18.
Okay. Alright, I'm going to hold on to the knife just for the traffic
Okay,
stop.
That's fine.
Alright, and then we'll figure that out from there.
Alrighty.
Okay?
Yep.
Alright, hang tight for me.
Yep.
Alright, man. Here's the deal. Here's your stuff back. You're good to go on that. Yep. With the knife, I'm just going to set it back here until I leave.
I can touch it.
I'm not gonna take it or anything. However, it's 5 to 8 inches. Anything over 5, you gotta have a permit to carry for. That's obviously I don't.
You can open it. I don't care.
That's probably pretty close to 5. So
You think so?
Yeah, I don't have a tape measure on me,
Okay.
and I'm not gonna worry about it too
All
much.
right.
So just be careful.
Yep.
Okay. So like I said, when it falls out of your pocket,
Yeah.
there. Okay.
Yeah.
So other than that, you're good to go. I like the bike. By the way.
Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day.
You too.
How you doing?
Don't reach for that gun, okay?
Yep.
Where are you coming from?
Fridays.
Fridays? Off where?
Battlefield.
Battlefield? Okay. The reason I stopped you right when you came by me was view of a motorcycle splitting traffic at the high-rise flying this way. It ain't the only bike I saw. Another thing, I was following you. This inspection you got on here, you got it right there?
Yep.
Okay. There's a couple places you can put it there.
What was that?
When he went by, I didn't see an inspection. Most people put them up there, but you got it right there. Okay. Just to let you know, I know you're recording this stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I don't want you flying through traffic.
Yeah, I was just trying to get over to the HOV.
Okay. Make sure you drive safe. We don't want any accidents. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Take care.
Damn it. Thank you.
How fast are you going?
Maybe like 60. I got a bigger sprocket, so it's like a few off until I can get a speedo healer. That's like $50.
quite a bit.
Yeah, I'm commuting to work every day.
Yeah, you're ripping. So
Okay.
just slow it down. I get it. I had a bike once, but just try to keep it.
Damn. Brand new visor. Thank you.
Don't hit me. Turn it off.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Oh, we're riding around mini bikes.
It's really good one. Burton. Show me at the same location on a subject stop with the mini bikes. Okay, ID?
Yeah, I do.
So why are you guys riding mini bikes on the trail?
Oh, just because we don't want to be on the street getting hit by cars.
You have ID, man?
I do.
Okay, well, I appreciate not being on the streets, but you
Yeah.
still can't be riding. There's people walking their dogs. And,
Oh, did someone call the cops?
well, no, I just saw you guys bombing down here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Right?
Oh, you had someone pulled over, huh? Oh, okay.
So we can run 2 names. H. Henry 330-2000.
We're just riding mini bikes.
So like whenever, know when you're ready.
Well, you saw me over there, didn't you?
Me?
Yeah.
Baron Saran, I was right out there. I came up to him actually.
To me?
Yeah.
Yeah. I just rode up to you.
I understand that, but you guys passed me.
Yeah.
You saw him, you turned around and you came back.
No, we've just been smashing back and
Literally,
forth
yeah.
all day. We've been here for a long time.
Okay. I saw you. You guys turned and saw me. You saw me stop my car. And you turned around and head back up this way. I mean, it was pretty obvious.
We've just been smashing back and forth.
Yeah, we just
Okay, well, you can say that again. But what I'm saying is
Yeah.
you visually saw me. I saw you make the decision to turn around and head away from me.
I don't know. Did you
So
see him?
that's what happened. I mean, there's no discussion about it. It happened just less than a minute ago.
We've just been riding back and forth. Sorry.
We keep reading the same thing, but it's not really answering the question.
Okay. What was the question?
Why are you guys riding mini bikes on the trail?
The only
Why'd you
answer.
turn around when you saw him?
We've just been riding here for a long time.
Good.
literally, if I wanted to run, we would have went somewhere down there. I literally drove up to him. Not even trying to run.
I'm gonna have another name. Forrest, two-part last, Muhammad, Habib, Mario, Henry, Adam. Have you guys ever been talked to about this before?
No, I got pulled over at Alki Beach before, and the only thing he told me was to put on lights and a helmet, and that's why I bought the helmet. I just went to the swap meet today.
He just told me to stay on the sidewalk.
Yeah, they never said anything. He just said all you have to have is a helmet and lights so people can see you. Just cause I just thought it was another noise complaint because that's what happened at the beach. But this was last summer.
Yeah.
But
No, I mean, I'm less worried about the noise down here, right? There's not people sleeping, right? More worried about the people and the kids walking their dogs.
We
And
definitely
like
slow
you think
down
we'd hit
around
them or
people. If
something?
you look, like we'd always slow down.
yeah.
I understand that, but it doesn't change the fact you're not supposed to ride these things on the trail, right?
Oh, okay. Oh, that's me.
Oh.
No, that's me.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it's cool.
I think we've been getting complaints about this too.
You guys have? How? When?
I
Today?
don't know. We've been getting like people calling in.
So this is what happened.